My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about Dentcoin. What's the prices goes in the Dentcoin, and what is the current price of Dentcoin, and what is the next move occur in Dentcoin. And this video I will show you, friends, so keep watch this video till the end, friends. Now let's start the video. And remember, friends, if you are new in my channel, so subscribe is very important for you, because ABS Tech channel update you every hour from a new cryptocurrency news, friends. If we talk about the current price of the Dentcoin, so the current price is about 0.011017 USD dollar is the current price of Dentcoin, friends. And if we talk about the change occur in the Dentcoin, so the last 24-hour change as a positive, last 1 day change as negative, and the last 1 week change as positive, friends. So that's mean that the yesterday the farming period of the Dentcoin starts now, friends. For more details, let's see the price prediction chart of the Dentcoin, friends. Oh my god, absolutely, as you can see here, that is the last 1 day, that is, and as you can see the farming period of the Dentcoin starts now, friends. So now if you want to don't lose your money, so I think it's the best time to sell it and be safe from more loss, friends. When they start again jump, so it is a big opportunity for you to buy Dentcoin again and make a good amount of profit in the future, friends. Now as you can see, the previous hour, the previous days of the Dentcoin are goes very better, only and only jump soaker. So I think it's a profit time, and now sell it and be safe from more loss, friends. If we talk about the change occur in the Dentcoin at this time, so positive 20.98% positive change occur in the Dentcoin. The highest price of the Dentcoin, as you can see at this time, the highest price 0.012012 USD dollar is the currently highest price of the Dentcoin, and the last 1 week period, friends. And now the current price is 0.11015. Here is 11 and here is 12, friends. So now it's not a big change if you want to sell it, so I think it's the best time to sell it, friends, and be safe from more loss, friends. If we talk about the next change of the Dentcoin, so on the basis of technical analysis, if we do, so as you can see, let's suppose that is support line and that is our resistance line. So they continue a travel between these two line, friends. But if we look the last period of the Dentcoin, so as you can, at this time they don't show any angle to they have any decision to move jump upward, friend. They are only goes fast down, fast down, fast down. So I think that the future Dentcoin break the support level and the support becomes resistance, friends. And when the support become resistance, so that's mean that the big dump coming soon and this coin, friends. So what's your opinion about Dentcoin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe to ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.